My dear parents, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state the name of having been elected to the members as officer of the Homeroom PTA on the position do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, that I have read and clearly understood, and I will abide by the guidelines governing the Parents Teachers Association and such issuances by the Department of Education, that I will obey all legal rules promulgated by the duly constituted authorities, and that I impose upon myself this obligation without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you.